breaking news. The renowned Red Booton Hospital, an extension of the Nails for You franchise, owned by the equally renowned and revered Ges Ray, Mayor of Red Booton and local benefactor, has announced the opening of a forthcoming new digital department. Digital, as in specifically for fingernails, specifically designed for journalists and newscasters who dare to diss Des. Also, specifically for removing fingernails rather than repairing them. The ribbon will be sliced open, cut by Des himself very, very shortly. More news just in. This reporter is about to depart on a silent retreat. When presenting, delivering, speaking to your audience, I'll lay odds you give a great deal of thought to the production values of your media. Yet what thought do you give to the production of the instrument that delivers your media? Your voice. What preparation do you put into the production of your voice, to the mask of your face that you use, probably mostly without even thinking about it, to deliver? At last, home territory. I know all there is to know about face masks. This mask has been behind my amazing success in reaching, think about it for a minute, tens of people on YouTube. Not sure I know so much about voice production though. Let's look at foundation tools and abilities that create powerful speak performances in terms of the sound production, of your voice production, the use of your diaphragm, your chest and your lungs to support your voice. You may be saying to yourself, it's fine, I'm speaking all the time. Well, so are athletes performing all the time. Yet you'd be hard-pressed to find one that didn't train and warm up before an event. Similarly, no matter how much we love to sing in the car or the shower, performing with the skills, tone and timbre of an opera singer does not happen overnight. So, if we are investing in tech to deliver performance-level sound quality, why should we not invest in the instrument that delivers your performance? Your voice. Let's consider for a moment, how does your voice work? In simple terms, air moves under pressure towards your voice, or more accurately, your vocal cords, your vocal folds, similar names for the same thing. These are the soft tissues and ligaments that enable vibration to happen.
I love soft tissues, almost as much as fingernails. You could say I connect with them quite often, if you knows what I mean.
Hence the recent vacancy for a news announcer, eh, Des? Back to how does your voice work? Having breathed in, the journey for that air is out of your lungs, up to your vocal cords, supported by your diaphragm, abdominal muscles, chest muscles, and rib cage. Your speaking is then a combination of the vibration of your vocal cords together with the resonance of your mask, your throat, the back of your head, the top of your head, eyes and nasal passages, completed by your articulation. How you use your tongue, soft palate, lips, teeth to produce sounds that others will recognize. Sounds that we recognize as speech. It's an amazing, complex process. We do it without even thinking about it. Actually, if you stop to think about it for too long, you'll probably stymie your ability to speak.
Namaste. Guru is oozing his tongue up in your sinuses until you will listen. You will listen. Guru is the speaking sensation of sensational speaking, the dominatrix of magic mouth actions. Do not listen to these other crappings. You have no need to prepare any douchings for your audience. Thrack your audience like you are drilling them deep for environmental catastrophe. This is your cheesy moment, your palladium. This is all about you. In mein Vaterland of Germany, we have the fetish clubs for the man, for the frown lines, for the intersex. And with the oh boys, am I intersex? Oh boys, am I? These clubs sometimes haben the Ruber Unitats tight fitting, rub all up in your crevasses, ja. Und by the end of the night, boogie-woogieing to the Depeche Mode, the Kraftwerk und the Kunst of Noise. There is a lot of sweatings. Wow, my crack is drooling, dripping and moist with these sweatings. It's like I'm leaving the little slag trails on the dance floor. And if I do the twerkings with the shakings of the booty, yeah, there is always the leakage. It's like all the other dancers get to nosh down on the spatterings of my salty, slimy goodness. Yeah. Sometimes I am so claggy with the poolings of water in my backside. It's like a cream from the Jersey cows. Yeah, I laugh at the gold top in my squishy bottom. Your mouth, like my Ruber Unitard crack, needs to be drooling when you get up on your audience on stage. Drinking the water by the leader is necessary for ample drippings and moistness. So, with every syllable and enunciations, you are squirting them in your duties until they are soppings. None of this breathing and warming up. Breathing is totally unnecessary. Stop breathing. Just drink leaders. Tell your audience to pay attention and soak them in your warm and salty creamy squirts. A guru has spoken. A guru has spoken. Namaste.
guru would be horrified to learn that within the Transmedia Experience program, we work on exercises to help you breathe really deeply, preparing you for performing. Your performance will be all the more strong the more you support your breathing, support your voice. I recommend practicing regularly. Singing in a choir works wonders. Also, incorporating breathing and warm-up exercises into your pre-performance routine before you start recording, before you press enter into that virtual meeting, to be physically and mentally better prepared. Now, how about your mask?
I was wondering when we get to that. How do I use the mask on my face to be more expressive?
Interesting point. Less the mask on your face, more the mask of your face. We can work on how to use the position of your voice box with the pitch of your sound to enable your voice to be more open, more resonant, more expressive, with minimal effort. Also, without having to push it or damage it. We can then work on how to project the sound that your voice box makes into the areas of your mask, your mouth, your head, enabling your voice to be more resonant, more expressive. So, no makeup needed. Sorry. It's how you project the sound of your voice into the mask of your face that makes your voice and you more expressive. Again, the more practiced you are in placing vowel sounds around the mask for maximum performance, the more you will be able to deliver your speak performance with more resonance, more expression.
Darlings, so sorry to interrupt. I've been listening in the wings. This is really interesting. I've been exhorting my guys here in Paris to be a little less wooden in their performances. Yeah, please go on, guys, please go on. Please take a little break out from performances just for a moment, eh? Yeah, in a little while we'll sort your wood out, don't you worry. Now, it sounds like the cast here would really benefit from some of these sessions before we open.
You are all welcome. Very welcome indeed.
Please grand indeed. Oh, I can feel the musicals in my baton already. The musicals we shall have. Polarities in Paris. The Butterfly House on Broadway. C'est magnifique, quoi.